Have you heard about the recent event with Astrobotic's Peregrine Lunar lander? It's quite the tale, filled with both triumph and tribulation. Astrobotic, a pioneering company in lunar logistics, launched its first lunar lander, Peregrine Mission 1, marking the first U.S. lunar lander in decades. However, not everything went as planned. A few hours following the launch, the spacecraft experienced a propellant leak, causing damage to its propulsion system and dashing hopes of a soft landing on the moon. The Astrobotic team sprung into action, working tirelessly to orient the lander's solar panels towards the sun to charge its batteries and stabilize the fuel loss. While they managed to fully charge the batteries, a significant amount of fuel was lost in the process. Astrobotic believes the leak originated from a valve connecting two tanks inside the lander, which failed to close properly. This failure allowed pressurized helium to leak into a tank containing oxidizer, potentially causing the oxidizer tank to burst. Despite the setback, the team didn't throw in the towel. Instead, they strived to get the spacecraft as close to the moon as possible before it lost power. The spacecraft, carrying scientific instruments and even human remains intended for deposition on the moon, ended up traveling a whopping 200,000 miles away from Earth, reaching about 84% of the distance to the moon. However, due to the unexpected fuel leak, the moon won't be in the right position when the lander arrives. The original plan was for the spacecraft to circle back towards Earth and slingshot back into lunar orbit, but it's now expected to run out of fuel before reaching the moon. Despite the unforeseen turn of events, Astrobotic has continued to gather scientific data from the Peregrine Mission 1 and is working to maximize the lander's operational lifespan. So to summarize, the Peregrine Lunar lander experienced a propellant leak following its launch, which led to the failure of its propulsion system. Astrobotic managed to extend the lander's fuel supply and keep the spacecraft operational, but unfortunately, a soft landing on the moon is no longer possible. This journey of the Peregrine Lunar lander, despite its challenges, is a testament to the resilience and innovation in space exploration. It's a reminder that even in the face of adversity, there's always something to be gained. We look forward to seeing what new insights Astrobotic will uncover from this mission, and how these will shape their future lunar endeavors.